How to make a bed 101. Hello, Nora Murphy. How are you?
Good, and welcome to my bedroom.
I know, this is very exciting. It's lovely to be here. This is actually Nora Murphy's bedroom. So it's so beautiful, and this is just a bare bed. You're going to teach us the ingredients today, the elements on how to make a beautiful bed.
Yes, it's all in the layers, and these were the layers as of this morning. So it was a darker palette, deep tickings, coloration, and wonderful wool tartans. This is going bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're going to spring it up, spruce it up.
It all starts with a mattress pad.
There's a mattress pad under here.
Okay.
And I think it's a really good idea. It really protects the mattress and it adds extra softness.
Right.
That mattress pad is underneath a bottom sheet.
So this is the bottom sheet?
That's a fitted bottom sheet.
Fitted bottom sheet.
I like to keep it just white, so it's a blank canvas. This way I can do anything on top of this bed.
Okay, so you always go with a white fitted sheet on the bottom. And it doesn't necessarily have to match the top sheet.
No, it doesn't. And also, I also take a similar white fitted sheet and I cover the box spring.
Oh, interesting, okay.
So that way you don't have that ugly, you know, quilted commercial look.
Next comes our top sheet.
And now I'm going to...
Let me get on this side.
If you don't mind, like, you know how you just make a bed? It's easier with someone on each side.
I think this is very interesting to note. You're putting the good side down so that it's closest to your body.
Yes, and you'll see why. This is a very pretty French sheet that I found at Home Goods. It was a onesie. I didn't find anything else to go with it other than a sham that I'll show you in a little bit. And what I always look for also is details. And look at that pretty embroidered cuff of that pink vine.
Beautiful.
So the reason we put it down is so when you fold it back, that's what you've got. And also the sheets, it's important to get good quality sheets.
What should I be looking for in a thread count? I'm always confused by this. The higher the thread count, the better the sheet is?
Yeah, better quality. It's as many threads are in a square inch.
Okay.
Horizontal and vertical. So I don't particularly care for high thread counts because they feel very satiny and silky.
Okay.
I like a crisper sheet. So to me, between a 2 and a 400 is just my sweet spot for a sheet. And then we're going to add a duvet.
A duvet.
A beautiful duvet cover.
So a duvet is another word for comforter.
Okay.
And this pretty thing is a duvet cover, and it's 100% cotton. And when I had gone to London in the fall, I discovered Kath Kidston, and she's an English designer. And this was in the clearance rack, and I love that they're all pink peonies.
Beautiful.
So what we're going to do, love, is we're going to push this back.
Okay.
And then we're going to pull this down. And then I fold it back.
Okay.
And now you'll see how pretty it is when this comes on top. And it's not the exact color, but that's okay. It doesn't need to be.
Okay.
Pillows are next.
Well, Nora, if we were ever to have a pillow fight, you'd win. I've never seen more pillows in my whole life.
Well, you know, I just wanted to show options. I don't use this many pillows on my bed either, but I really want to show the optimum. Okay. And this way everybody can just scale back to what they're comfortable with. But there are different kinds of pillows. And the first one is called a housewife.
A housewife.
And all it is a hard working pillow. It's our most common pillow where you slip the pillow in. And I look again for the details. Then something that is really nice to mix in too are vintage pillowcases. And these are really pretty because the cuff is literally just a scallop, and then some little sweet person had done this beautiful crochet work.
Where do you find these?
Oh, you can get these at flea markets, antique shows.
Really?
Online. And so we're going to build up like that. So the third kind of pillow that I don't even know if we need to use it on the bed, but I just wanted to show you all, is that this is called a bag pillow. And the bag pillow means that when you put it in, it's like a bag, like a little satchel.
That's beautiful.
And it stays in. And I love this. It matches my duvet cover. And then maybe we'll throw one in here. We'll see.
Sure.
Now, what I love to do is, you know, these pillows don't stay this crisp and clean. Obviously, we sleep on them. They get well used. So usually the rule of thumb is to put a Euro square, behind the pillows, but I like to hide my pillows. So I love these buffalo check cherry red and white cotton shams. And the reason it's called a sham, so it's a different kind of a pillow, is it has a decorative edge and the enclosures on the back.
Okay. And
European square is a 26-inch square, and it's a really nice size. And I have two of these if you want to put your side.
Nora then adds another Euro sham.
Don't walk away from onesies. When I found the sheet, my beautiful French sheet, there was one European sham, and I'm like, I just gotta buy this. This is so beautiful. So this could be something that you can layer in like that in front of those two.
Okay.
Then come the matelassé pillows. And this beautiful matelassé throw, which makes the whole bed pop with color. It's actually a twin-size throw on this queen-size bed.
And I got this on the Cape at a gift shop for a great deal. And in the summertime, you don't need something big and heavy.
No.
So just a twin size is almost like an overscaled throw blanket.
It's awesome.
And there you have it. Beautiful.
My mom is Hungarian, and she said, you know what, Nora, if you make your bed in the morning, the rest of the room will look nice and neat and tidy. And
Exactly.
she's right.
Right. Now, there's not enough room in here for anybody to sleep in, so I'd like to take a little nap. I'm just going to curl up on the end of the bed.
That's fine.
Is that okay?
Yes, it is.
All right. Thank you, Nora Murphy. We appreciate it. For more information, where should we head?
NoraMurphyCountryHouse.com. And I've got a lot of really good bedding ideas on there.
Okay. Thank you.
Nighty night.
Good night.